All right, so everybody loves calve day. At least in the summer when we're wearing shorts. That's when I train my calves every day. So I'm here with Eugene, Arash, and Casey. The other two pros here. Eugene's warming up his tibias. You know I'm a tibia fanatic. So we're gonna do a 3-exercise sequence. We're gonna do 4 rounds of calves and we're gonna blow them up. I wish I had a tape measure. We're gonna blow them up today. So calf time, baby. We'll go a little heavier on the next one. Okay, that was a little light for the first set, so we're going to take our weight up. More. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 1 more, and 5. That was awesome. You like that? Yeah. Come on, Eugene. Come on, Eugene. There we go. Use the handles to get some forced reps too. Get some forced reps. There you go. Force them. Force 10 of them. 2. Come on. 3. Force those reps. 4. Come on. 5. Force. 6. 4 more. 7. Come on. 8. Come on. Get up. Get up. Use the handles. Come on, use the handles. Use the handles. 5 more, 5 more. Let's go, 5 more. Come on. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4, and there we go. We're done now. When they cease to function, you're done. Good work. Good set. Push yourself. All the way up. If you can't come all the way up, use the handles right here, okay? Use those to get up. Up, 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 up. 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 So let's go 15 here. Give me 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Now just give me 10 out of the bottom. Half reps, just little half reps. Little half reps, stretch. 1, 2, 3, stretch, 4, stretch. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Perfect. Don't think for 1 second that little quarter rep doesn't help.
Is that even doing a quarter?
You're working out the stretch.
I didn't feel like I was doing anything.
The muscles have to fire to even elevate you an inch. And look at how heavy the weight was in that stretch. So, hit the tibia real quick. I'm going to give you a good stretch. You got the weight loaded up pretty heavy here too. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gently pressing down. More stretch. 6, 7, 8, 9. Now sit in the stretch. Sit there. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There we go. There we go. All right, guys, that's calves. So I want to talk a little bit about what we did. It might look like just a mindless calf workout where you're just doing random stuff. It was actually very methodical. So your calves are not used to working out of a stretch. That's number 1. They're also only used to generally carrying just your body weight, maybe a little bit more. So the first exercise, we were loading them very heavy. We were stretching out of the bottom, and we were even going beyond failure by using the handles. So the first exercise, when we were at our freshest, we were loading heavy weight in the stretch position. That's my probably number 1 fundamental rule for calves, is load them in a stretch position. Just for the simple fact they're not used to it. So we went really heavy there, then we went to the tibia raise. The tibia is kind of a forgotten muscle, but you would never train your bis and not your tris, or your tris and not your bis, or your quads without your hams, or vice versa. So think of your tibia as just the other side of the lower leg. So when you work your gastroc and soleus together with your tibia, you get more blood in the lower leg. So that, I think the tibia muscle, when it's developed, actually gives you a really nice little calf in the front. And then the third thing we did was the seated raise. A lot of people would think that's just soleus, it's not your gastroc. It actually does still with your gastroc. It's just with the bent knee, it becomes what we call mechanically insufficient, something like that's the right word for it. So it's still a little bit more gastroc, but it's a lot of deep soleus work. That muscle is kind of beneath, kind of underneath there. So it's a different position for your calves. But the thing that I think what really mattered on that was, if you're watching a Rosh, I was giving pressure to bottom. Again, you're getting a lot of weight in the stretch position. If your concern is you're going to get hurt, I've literally never seen anyone in my entire life get hurt by putting a little extra pressure in the stretch position. It's painful, right? It's very painful. It's excruciating. But when you get used to working out of that stretch position, sitting in that stretch position, it's going to help you. It's not going to change your muscle structure. You're not all of a sudden going to look like Eugene, have this beautifully shaped calf muscle, but I do believe it will stimulate more growth. And we also did these as a superset. The reason why is just more blood flow. We're just maximizing blood flow in there. We got the loading done initially. We got a really hard stretch done. And then we kept the blood in there, and then we rested in between cycles. We did about 4 cycles. Anything you want to add to that?
Yeah, that's pretty well complete.
Yeah.
My cart's toasted.
So, you know, a lot of times I think people see this stuff and they just think, ah, it's just mindless, but there really is a method behind what we're doing.
You need to truly apply it and feel what he's talking about. Like sitting here with the stretch, not only are we taking out the momentum and the bounce that you see a lot of people do, but we're firing the muscle from a completely different stretch position. So we're engaging certain fibers that wouldn't normally be engaged, just stopping at the bottom, using a little bit of momentum. So it's almost like an exaggerated dead stop. Not only am I not using momentum, but stretching me further than I can physically go by just using the weight and gravity, and I'm firing up from that position. And it was a night and day difference. I was using about 40% less weight. So if you can get the same stimulus, in turn get the same growth with less weight, which is less hazardous and safer, then you're doing something right.
No, it's a pleasure. It's all pumped. Lots of smoke.
He wants to eat.
All right, let's go.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Look, if you don't have the same equipment, you can simulate this stuff. If you don't have a tibia raised, just literally just stand there and dorsiflex your foot, pull your toes up. But I think you guys can figure out what to do. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Make sure you check out Eugene's channel. What's your website?
Dan Barber Method. I'll give you guys a link down below as well, so check it out there.
And make sure you follow Arash on his Instagram and your YouTube as well.
Yes.
And he's 5 weeks out from the Olympia, so we're going to send this guy to Vegas in style. He's going to kick some butt. We're all behind him. Not only is he a great bodybuilder, he's a good man, which is what matters to us older guys who like to see good people in the sport. This is one of your guys right here you need to follow. And Casey's nothing but a troublemaker, but we let him hang around anyway. See you guys.